Good morning, everyone. So my name is Gillian Wilson. I'm the Vice Chancellor for Research, Innovation and Economic Development. I'm also a Professor of Physics here at UC Merced. Welcome to the University of California, Merced, which is the University of California system's newest campus and the nation's first research institution of the 21st century. Notable and highly relevant to today's discussion is that UC Merced was the first public research institution in the country to achieve carbon neutrality. Since its founding in only 2005, UC Merced's faculty have taken advantage of our geography, this amazing living laboratory in which we are situated, to develop key research strengths in highly relevant fields, including soil science, agricultural technology, water management, wildlife, wildfire prevention, and climate. Today's topic could not be more timely, as we witness the extreme weather patterns, climate change, and influx of carbon dioxide in our own backyard. We are honored today to welcome scientists from Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory and Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, as well as community leaders, industry, government, and elected officials to the very first Roads to Removal nationwide symposium. The Roads Report, a first of its kind county-level analysis, provides an important look at the science of carbon dioxide and the opportunities that exist in every region in the nation to remove it. Whether those removal strategies take the form of carbon cropping or perennial field borders, forest management, the removal and reuse of biomass, such as agriculture or municipal waste, or in the creation of new technologies, such as direct air capture. The Roads to Removal report highlights how the nation, California, and the Central Valley can best address and support the Biden administration's goal of removing a gigaton of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and achieving net neutrality by 2050. It is not a feat that can be taken lightly. But to paraphrase the report, every region has a story and every region has an opportunity. And Merced is one of the best places in the nation to begin that process. Today, the report authors will be joining our own academic experts and many other local officials and leaders to discuss how we might get there. Doing so will take innovation, dedication, and cooperation by all of us. And your attendance here today is the first step on that journey. I strongly encourage you to ask questions and to share your point of view. Before that, however, I would like to take a few moments to acknowledge some people that we are fortunate to have in our midst today. I would like to begin by acknowledging California Department of Food and Agriculture Secretary Karen Ross, who will be speaking later today. Secretary Ross has been a champion of UC Merced from its inception. She has long known that UC Merced would serve a critical role in the San Joaquin Valley, bringing expertise in water resources planning and management, sustainable agricultural systems, and more recently, building a future for climate-smart food systems that not only leverage new advances in ag food tech, such as AI and robotics, but also in a manner that keeps the people of the San Joaquin Valley front and center and in the loop in the development, use, and benefit of these new tools. These advances will help the region better manage critical water and soil resources, protect vulnerable ecosystems, and empower new modalities for an ag tech force that can continue to feed our state and our nation. Her partnership has made the Farm Food Future Innovation Initiative, or F3 for short, which is led by Professor Joshua Veers, a reality. By providing critical support to the EDA's Build Back Better Regional Challenge and its $65 million investment into our region. She knew that UC Merced was here to stay in the valley, for the valley. Her vision for California is ours too. I would also like to acknowledge our District 14 State Senator, Ana Caballero, who will also be speaking later today. She also provided critical support to F3. She supported it in the earliest of days throughout the pandemic, recognizing that its commitment to inclusive innovation was necessary to make sure that the investments and outcomes of this effort pulled in our local community college, pulled in our local small farms and food producers, and that university research, the discoveries that define the University of California and our partners, were translational, that the tech will be appropriate, it will be accessible, and it will be affordable. Her commitment to our region is ours too. I would also like to thank UC ANR Vice President Glenda Humison. While many of you recognize our ubiquitous programs around the state, including 4-H, Master Gardener, and UC Cooperative Extension, perhaps fewer of you recognize that her team, known as the Vine, were instrumental in providing the needed technical expertise about how to make the UC more agile in innovation, commercialization, and entrepreneurship. I also want to recognize her leadership in transforming the University of California in a critical way that perhaps fewer of you know. UC Merced, along with our counterpart at UC Santa Cruz, are newly named beneficiaries of the Federal Agricultural Experiment Station designation, opening new opportunities for our faculty and for our students to emerge as national and international leaders in research that can make our food systems safer, our farms more sustainable, and our communities more prosperous. This type of change in the UC has not happened in decades, since UC Davis and UC Riverside became campuses in their own right. Her leadership values for the UC are ours too. We're also happy to have elected officials from across the region here joining us. Please hold your applause until the end as we welcome Stanislaus County Supervisor Chance Condit, City of Fireball Mayor Felipe Perez, City of Livingston Mayor Jose Moran, City of Mendota Mayor Victor Martinez, City of Merced Mayor Pro Tem Bertha Perez, City of Tracy Council Member Mateo Bedoya, and Kristan Santos from the Office of Congressman John Duarte. We can have a round of applause. Thank you all for being here with us today. And if I've missed anyone, please know we appreciate you being here and thank you for your support. As UC Merced grows, we're building on the strengths of our long-established institutes. The Sierra Nevada Research Institute, the Health Sciences Research Institute, and our Community and Labor Center. We're also developing 2 new institutes. We're standing up a climate institute to tackle convergence research in resilience, as well as VISTA, envisioned as the Valley Institute for Sustainability, Technology, and Agriculture. So as you can see, we've been quite busy of late, but there's lots more to come. Today's symposium will highlight not only our faculty research, but the partnerships critical to building a resilient San Joaquin Valley. And the roads to removal, a critical plan to tackle our most pressing crisis, the removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Thank you all for coming today.